Summer Sunshine Lemon Pound Cake. Okay, we're making our lemon loaf cake. We need 1 cup of sifted sugar. We're going to sift our ingredients today, guys. Okay, guys, I cannot find my zester, so I'm going to give this a shot. We're going to see. We can call this a sunshine cake today. I need a little bit of sunshine. That did not work. Oh, okay. I think we're just going to pop it right in here. And we're just going to do it right in here, and the lemon zest will fall in here. But we don't want to get the white. It's okay to try stuff, guys. I can't find my zester. I cannot find it. I can't imagine what I did with it. But we just improvise around here. Ooh, that lemon zest is falling off and it's looking good in there. Okay, now we need 1 stick or 1/2 cup of butter. And we want butter for this recipe. Okay, now we need 2 large eggs. Just 2 large eggs. Put them right in. Okay, guys, now we need 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, and this has seeds in it, so we are just going to take and squeeze out about the half of a lemon, and that should give us 2 tablespoons. I told you we weren't going to waste it. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. We're going to go ahead and we're going to mix this up before we add the dry ingredients. If I can get it on. I don't want to go on. There we go. I'm abusive on my appliances, guys. And I'm just going to take, so I'm going to need 3 of these. These are 1/2 cups. And I'm just going to take and kind of put it in there. We want this cake to be spectacular. We're going all out today. I want all my food to be spectacular. It's not always. Okay, now number 2. You guys don't let me lose count. You know how I can get. I'm doing this so it won't be so packed down. I want it to be light. And one of you guys told me that that's how you do it. So I'm following my subscribers and my commenters because I think you guys know good. Okay, now we need 1 teaspoon of baking powder. We need a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Salt will bring out all that flavor. And now we need 1/2 cup of milk. And I used whole milk. Okay, we're going to just scrape this bowl around. I got a beautiful little loaf pan here. And we're going to spray it with some Baker's Joy because I don't want it to stick at all. I'm just going to pop this right in. We're going to go ahead and put our loaf pan in our oven for 40 to 45 minutes at 320 degrees. That's going to be a great cake. So we're going to make a glazed icing for our pound cakes. And so I'm going to put 2/3 cup of sugar in a sifter. You don't really need to sift this if you don't want to, but I need a strainer anyway, so we're going to use it. Now we need 4 tablespoons of lemon juice. And I'm just going to squeeze those lemons, and each lemon should add about a tablespoon. Oh, it smells so good. And we don't want any seeds. I'm using the strainer because I don't want any seeds at all in my icing. Okay, that should be enough. Guys, I used the wrong sugar. I didn't need this sugar. I needed powdered sugar. What is wrong with me today? Okay, this is the powdered sugar. I'm going to do 1/3 cup. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to squeeze out another lemon. Okay, I think we got it. I'm letting this hair grow out and it's driving me bats, so I went and pulled it up on my head. It's driving me crazy. Okay, we want to ice this cake while it is warm. Now we're just going to start and we're going to put a thick icing on this while it is warm. And if it falls down to the sides, that is just fine. Remember, it has that lemon juice and that zest all in it. We're just going to let it sit right here and cool. This is what I love. It's called California lemon peel, and guys, it is outrageously delicious. And I love to put it on my pound cakes or my loaf, my lemon loaf. It is absolutely wonderful. Just going to start sprinkling it right on. There we go. I made 2 loaves. We're going to turn this one out also. Okay guys, we are going to ice this one also. And you'll say, Miss Fran, why in the world would you make 2 loaves? Well, because I want to cut one, and I'm making this for my neighbors. I have some neighbors across the street, and I realized the other day that I have not made them a dessert. I've not made them anything and took to them as like a moving in gift or food or anything like that. So I thought, you know what? They might think I'm playing favorites. And so, and we don't want people to think that. Wow. Okay, we're going to let these, let both these cakes just kind of sit here and kind of cool down a little bit and let that icing harden just a little, and then we're going to cut it. Oh my goodness, guys. This is our summer sunshine lemon pound cake. Okay guys, let's cut this pound cake. I'm starving. I'm gonna leave my husband the end piece. He loves the end piece, so. Look at the texture of that pound cake. That is gorgeous. You know we're going to try it. Oh my gosh. I want to try it with the icing. Oh my gosh. Guys, this is the best loaf pound cake you're ever going to make. Ever. You guys are the best audience on YouTube.